Hey guys, this video is about adjectives and adverbs. Adjectives are describing words. You probably remember that from past years. But specifically, adjectives describe nouns. Remember that a noun is a person, a place, or a thing. So if we were to describe a person, we could say a quiet person. The word quiet here would be an adjective, and it is describing the noun, so we know more about what this person is. If you want to describe a place, you could say creepy house. House would be the noun here, and our adjective is creepy, describing the house. You can also describe a thing. So for example, blanket, it's a soft blanket. Soft would be the adjective describing the noun blanket. Adverbs are a little bit different. They describe verbs, not nouns, but verbs. So if we have a verb here, let's just take writes, for example. He writes his name. The adverb describes how the verb is being done. So if the verb is write, that's what he is doing. How is it that he is writing? He is writing carefully. He carefully writes his name. So carefully here would be the adverb. We're going to look here at another verb, which is run, also something that you do, so it is a verb. And we're going to talk about the 3 questions, and this can help you understand adverbs a little bit better. So if we're talking here at run, how do we run? He runs fast, or he ran quickly. Fast and quickly here are both adverbs that help describe more about the verb. We take run again. When did we run? He runs daily, or he never runs. Daily and never are both adverbs. And then run again. How about where? He runs outside. He ran downstairs. So these are also describing a little more about the verb. The way that you can tell the difference between adverbs and adjectives, they both describe, but if you look at the word adverb here, adverb, you can see verb in it. So you know that adverbs go with describing verbs and not nouns. It's something, if you want to say it this way, it's added to a verb. It helps describe a verb. Let's look at some adjectives. Don't forget, adjectives describe a noun. There are different categories of adjectives that you can think about maybe. You can describe a noun by its color, blue, red, green. Those are all adjectives. By its size, it's big, it's small, it's gigantic. The way that it sounds, it's quiet, it's nice, pleasant. You can describe its shape. You can describe the number. There are a few or many or one. You can describe how it tastes right here. It was sweet candy. It was tangy salsa. Whatever it is, that would be taste. You can describe the weather. What kind of day was it? Cloudy day. You can also describe the texture. And these are only a few. Adjectives can go on and on and on. Any word that describes a noun. Adverbs, if you remember, are describing verbs. So how, when, and where. These are some examples that would help you think about adverbs. So here are some how adverbs. Happily, gladly, sadly. If you notice, a lot of these end in ly, and that is common. Most adverbs do end in ly. So remember that. But there are also some others that answer when and that answer where. And those are some there. You might want to jot some of these down in your notes. So if we have the sentence down here as an example, 100 bugs munched slowly. The verb is munched. That's what they are doing. But how are they doing it? They're doing it slowly. Or where are they doing it? They're doing it outside. Or when are they doing it? They're doing it yesterday. So those are all adverbs, help describe a verb.